1989 chassis harness,
right,
with the 2009 RSX. No, the 2009. That's not right.
Serbian power. Welcome back, YouTube. I know it's been a minute since our last video. Things just got super crazy around the shop. We do still have the CRX to work on. Things have just been getting crazy. I mean, I've been working on my patina truck here. I picked this up and I think I'm gonna LS swap it. I sold the Mustang. There's been lots going on. Anyway, getting back on this thing. Graham's gonna get the wiring done because he's the wiring genius. I do not wire well. So, well, I mean, I wire well, but not like Graham. Graham is the man. So, Graham's gonna get some wiring done. We're gonna get Serge to do some fuel system work on it. Do some hydro dipping. My shop does offer, we do hydro dipping, so we are gonna hydro dip the valve cover and the turbo housing on it. So that'll be fun. Anyway, let's get cooking with some fire here. There we go. We did some wood grain on it. I think it looks pretty cool. I gotta get the clear on there yet, but I think that's gonna look neat. Not every day you see a wood grain valve cover, right? All right. Just mounting the battery, Graham?
Oh yeah.
Guess we should start filming YouTube stuff again here, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jace isn't gonna be happy if we're not filming YouTube stuff.
He's not gonna be happy.
He will not be impressed. We gotta keep going on this.
Yes.
Can you see the wiring?
Well, I haven't tucked any of it away.
She looks a little bumper sitting. Little ways to go. All right, we got the battery all in there, and fuel tank is in there, fuel cell, whatever you want to call it. Cruising along.
Hey, Steve.
Hey, Graham.
You want to push on this set screw from the other side?
Yeah, I do.
I got one, but I can't get the other one.
Set screw on the other side. Yeah. How am I doing?
Push it on this one?
Yeah, how am I doing?
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, I'm definitely contributing over here.
What's that?
I'm definitely contributing. All right, Graham, what are we doing here?
Steve.
Tell me all about this. Tell Jace what you're doing. What happened down there?
Well, I'm trying to integrate the 1989 chassis harness,
right,
with the 2009 RSX. No, the 2009. That's not right.
That's not right.
2004 RSX Type S harness.
This is serious.
It's going okay.
It's going okay?
It looks worse than it is.
Yeah. Well, sure, sounds good. Do you think we'll be done this car before 2021?
That'd be amazing. I would love to do some winter donuts.
Yeah.
Some
Four-wheel
all-wheel-
burnouts?
Yeah, some all-wheel drive winter burnouts.
It's gonna be good. Making some headway here, Graham. All right, let's check the headlights.
That's your low beam,
No, that's high beam.
and that's your high beam.
No, it's backwards. Do it again.
Low beam, high beam.
No, that's not right.
After all that messing around.
We're gonna, yeah. All right. What else? Does it turn over?
Yes, it does. Neutral.
Was that a shifter cable? What happened? What?
Yeah, that happens.
Why is this here?
Don't worry about it.
Just leave that there.
Clip switch.
Big guy in a little jacket.
You ready?
Yep.
No crank.
Oh boy. Boy, boy.
One step closer.
Now we just need fuel system. Let's talk about a fuel system over here. What are we doing? What are we doing with this?
So we have a gigantic AM fuel pump.
400 liters per hour, Graham?
Should support 100 horsepower just fine.
That's more than a Honda. All right, what else we got? We got our cell in here. So what are you thinking?
Well, I think we're gonna mount this and the fuel pressure regulator underneath the back of the car on a nice bracket. These pumps are very, very noisy, so let's try to keep it out of the car.
Yeah, I mean, we're all about being quiet in this car.
And then we can run a short fuel return line back to our tank.
I'm feeling good about it.
Look at how little our battery is in that gigantic box.
Is that pun intended? Wonder how many bald beavers we're gonna take down with this. We're Canadian. We have beavers, not bald eagles. All right, is that good for one video? Should we upload this video?
Yeah.
Okay.